quick stop and jump onto another little job. It's all go today. So it's got to be this plastic colour chips, and we need to match the colour to the plastic, prep it and paint these. As you can see, they're textured. Obviously it's not going to be any of these later ones, so we need to get as close to, if not an exact match. So that's too dark, so look at that one in the light. Yep, I think that's it. So we're taking the damage off from the TA and the 240. We scotch all this up now and panel wipe it. So yeah, you'll see that 240 on a DA, we've feathered out the damage, keeping that DA straight and keeping it moving using a 240. Obviously, using a 240 on this plastic, it does clog up very fast because it's got stuff like people who have had, what's it called, silicone and stuff, all that kind of stuff we don't like. It's an arch liner, so it's an arch trim, so it picks up dirt and stuff and grease naturally. So yeah, so 240 on it, smooth it all out. Next job now is to scotch this and panel wipe it and clean the product so it's not contaminated, ready for a textured paint, which we picked up off the chip cards. We'll show you the process. There we go, all panel wiped and scotched, degreased. We'll have a quick blow off of an airline now and ready to paint. So just a little watch out that's come to mind when you're doing this sand on plastic. Don't go too aggressive, don't burn through plastic, you get that fluffy, like felty kind of finish. You've knackered it then. Some people do use like cardboard and rub it down, do you know what I mean, to try and bring it back. There are certain fillers you can use. People have said you can use like just a face of an interface pad on there. But the rule of thumb is, don't go too fast, don't go too heavy, and don't go too aggressive. Don't you go using like an 80 on it because you'll chew the you'll chew the plastic up. So just thought I'd share that with you because that is important, especially if people are taking advice and they're going away. I don't want you making mistakes on my behalf. Okay?
What's it for?
Smile, guy.
What's it for?
That's you moving on, making a cup of tea. You have to hold this now. This is what we use it. Tack rag and an airline now. So these cans come with two nozzles. They come with a fine and a coarse, which obviously gives you a different scent, your texture.
This is fine.
We're using a fine. Is that fine, Dave?
That's good for me.
You're fine with that?
Yeah, it looks alright for my house.
You can see it gives that natural texture. So now it's flashed off a little bit and dried. You can see the difference versus to what it's like wet. So yeah, there we have it.